Hello my dear viewers and possibly my future subscribers. Today I will show you the repair of DQ200-0AM 7-speed DSG-0AW installed on VAG Group cars. Very frequent malfunctions of this electronic unit are a burnout of the plastic layer, and then a short circuit between the contacts of the electric motor, which leads to the burnout of the fuse in the automatic transmission. The second common malfunction is the loss of communication between the electronic control unit of DSG and engine control module. As a result, it is impossible to diagnose the DSG with diagnostic equipment. This unit came for repair with a very rare electrical error, P0715, P071500 on diagnostics. This code is defined as input turbine speed sensor circuit malfunction. To check the sensor, we need to enter the DSG output data, then emulate the input shaft using a magnet and an engraver. Then we need to look at the readings of gearbox input speed sender too. As you can see, there are readings, so the sensor is working properly. If you try to check the faulty gearbox input speed sender G632 in the same way, there will be no readings. We need to find the cause of the malfunction. The presented photograph shows a scheme of the voltages at the contacts of the working electronic of the DSG unit. There is no 7.7 volt voltage supply in our unit. A little tip: if you need to replace a sensor, then you can do it like this. Gently solder the two parts of the film. Then take out the sensor. So let's continue troubleshooting. Open the cover of the electronic control unit and find the 7.7 volt power pins on the board. As a result of checking the voltage on the conductor, it turned out that the conductor which was sprayed with aluminum on the ceramic substrate had burned out. To eliminate the defect, we need to solder the conductor. After the repair, we connect the diagnostic equipment to the unit and diagnose the operability of the sensor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to create new videos. Good luck to everyone!